Walacho. The group started 3 years ago at Bawe. Me family Funwa. That is why I started this group, to make the people see that the culture is very beautiful. Yeah, the plans that I have for these girls is we have a whole lot to do. Some people are training. Please, if someone wants to help us, my phone number is 0544-831586. My name is Asafanye Amele Oshedeye. That means I don't fear anything. The first, Kaneshi Asafanye. Thank you so much. Yes, this ritual is called Odada. We plant, and after planting, we reap. So after that, this is what we do. It's called Odada. It's a very big celebration for the guns. So that is what we are doing today. It's 31 days. And that is 1 month. So the 1 month, we have the Shiba, we have the Madumo, we have the Mafa, then we have the Odada.
Right, so today Thursday, we are at Gamashi, precisely Bese. A Thursday like this, every year what you see is the coming together of the chiefs and the priests, as well as the indigents. What are they doing? Exactly what their forefathers did many years ago, to indicate to everybody that after a month-long moment of silence, prayer and fasting, they can now jubilate. After Naadumo, the last priest and the most important priest, who is Nai Ulomo, who will go to the Ngmangmomling, that is the millet farm, and then harvest on a Tuesday. After that Tuesday, the Thursday, this is what you see, where the Bese Manche, in the case of today, Ni Ayibonte, comes out with the Odadao drums, which appears once a year. Once every year, he will receive the sticks from the other elders of Bese, and then he will signal to the whole of Gamashi that indeed, after that long period, the wait is over. That's exactly what you saw. And today it was very colorful, where we saw Asene flags, which I have never seen in the past 9 years of broadcasting. The yellow flags you saw, if you come to Gamashi and you see yellow, it stands for Asene, and Asene is the original or the very first Mashi group that settled. After Asene, then you have other communities or other quarters. And today I saw the Asene colors, which were all over Bese today. So you saw the Bese match after playing or sounding the drums. He danced to and fro to the Gamancha Senshia, which is not far from Odadao Choshishi. When he dances, he does that 3 times. On the 3rd time, he is carried shoulder high, and what you hear are his appellations, which includes Afroso Ajiman. Afroso Ajiman is his appellative name, and you hear responses like Afroso Ankwa, Obiaranko, Okujiamang. That is what he is, and that is who he is, and that is what is sung in his praise. So today, Mr. Manche has done what he does every year to signal to the world that after a long wait, all is well and we can jubilate. My name is Nete Akoso Nete. I am from the house not so far from the Gamanche Essential, so I am home. Thank you.
Lex TV. See my leg. Legacy. Go and subscribe to Lex Films TV. Now! I got to subscribe. Click it.
My name is Akuma Mama Zimbi. Keep watching Let's Home TV because they are number uno.
Ajimai Badune, aka Kwajo Nikanika, Blasters footballer. I am on Lex Films TV. I'm number 1.
Lex Film GH.